Howdy pilots, Skip here again with the E-Flite F-18. I did the streaming of the unboxing yesterday. Today I'm going to take it out of the box again real quick for you and do a speed build, and then we'll slow it down a bit and we'll do a demonstration. Okay? Hold tight. Hey pilots, Skip here again. That wasn't so bad actually. It was a really easy thing to do. Hold on a second here. Okay, still recording? Good. Alright, battery's almost shot here, so we're going to make it pretty quick here. The build is done. All I've got to do is put a battery in it, set up my radio, and bind it so I can center my control surfaces. But everything else is done. When I do that, I'll do a demonstration and drop the gear and all that kind of stuff. Okay? You guys have a great one and a great rest of your weekend here. Hopefully a nice day tomorrow. Happy Columbus Day, everybody. And thanks for joining in again last night. It was fun. Take care and bye for now.